Oh, can we get the 959? Yeah, all right. Well, that's how you get the clicks. Woo. What's up, guys? Shooting another car for Sonderwerks. This one is a 997 Carrera 4S cab. Figure go through a little walk around and then show you guys a couple pictures and then see what I'm got going on for the week. Put together some stuff in the garage, so let's go see. Picked a different location this time. This guy's got some sweet stuff, but just playing around with locations a little bit. This is a cab, so I figured good car to practice and find some spots with. It is for sale, so if you're looking for a Cabriolet 997, this thing is mega clean. It sounds really good. Get a little video in cabin here in a sec. It sounds great, it drives great, brakes feel great, the clutch feels great. This thing is pretty awesome, pretty money. So if you want a 997 cab, that's the one. Let's look at a couple pictures. Oh, can we get the 959? Yeah, all right. Well, that's how you get the clicks. Now, this is technically a Comfort or an S?
This is a Comfort.
Okay. But the coolest part about this, every single one that I've seen has been silver with black interior.
Yeah, it's white on white, buddy.
White on white or white on brownish, reddish goodness?
How many times have you taken that cover off today?
Not enough. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's so clearly like a 964 with a body kit, but it's the coolest 964 ever. Everybody, this is Rob. We are at Sonderwerks in Cornelius, North Carolina. I shoot here every week now, and we just shot that silver car you guys saw, and I figured we'd take you on a quick little tour of the shop. And Rob very nicely pulled the cover of this
1988 959.
There you go, because I could say the numbers, I just never know the years. I keep putting random years on my tags and they don't line up.
It's okay, I'm gonna help you out.
Yeah, thank you. Fill me in. But what are you guys doing to this thing?
So this was in for just some upholstery work.
Sick.
So custom set of floor mats, fixed a few snaps on the front liner. Hey, he's a clown. And that's about it. So just a few upholstery things.
All right. Well, okay. So beautiful car. We're gonna go walk around. We'll let Rob. Seems like he's got to do some actual things. I'll let him do his thing. But for realsies, let's take a little quick walk through. They got their upholstery section, and you know what? That's jamming. That's really cool to be able to kind of be a one-stop shop. Not kind of. Yes, be. A lot of people are buying their full cars, taking whatever allocation they can get, and then going ahead and sending the car here to redo the interior in the way they actually want it. Thanks, Bobby, for putting that back on. Oh yeah, 356. Beautiful little shell that's going to come together. 968, 928, one of those. 996. I'm learning a lot more about the names, but for SC, I think. Just a sea of awesome, beautiful Porsches, all super custom. I just took a couple photos of that. You can see that here. And look at that. Look at these guys, the homies. Oh, I shot this car the other day. This thing is a beautiful 912. Then you have this, I think 964 for Alex Bowman, which will be pretty cool. This is one of their full builds. Does it have a it does. You can check out that beauty right there. Super sick. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on the inside here, and it just overflows out back. Next time I'm here, I'll stop by the, hey Max.
Hi.
Next time I'm here, I'll stop by the paint shop, and you guys can see what the paint shop looks like, but just so you have an idea of all the in-progress stuff. It's on, sounds good. But yeah, thanks guys for watching today. That's a quick little tour of Sonderwerks in Cornelius. Let me know what you guys want to see. There's a lot more going on. I'm shooting here every week, so we have more to see. So bonus, I'll go to the house, give you guys a quick little update on what's going on there. But yeah, thank you for watching, and let's see what's going on at the house. Guys, we're at the garage. It's the next day. I've been running around, but give you a quick little garage update and we'll call it a day. Next week is Christmas. I'll probably do something small. I don't know. Quick video. I still got to finish putting the diff in this thing, and I'm behind, and this thing's about to come apart. I have sold the intercooler setup to a buddy close by, so I'm going to give that to him, and let's just show you what's going on here. This place is coming together. That stuff's got to go away. It'll go up in the attic. This is a friend's painting behind there, but this is going to end up going in the corner. The detailing locker is set up. Everything is nicely organized. Blah blah blah. Yeah. Detailing locker is set up. I got that right there. That's going to go up in the corner. The toolbox is set up. We're like getting somewhere with it. My electrical drawer, whichever. Come on, one way. This has got to open, right? Yeah. Electrical drawer. All that good stuff. And then this is the Pettit intercooler setup. The intercooler's in here. This is for the RX-7. This is the intake induction setup that'll go up in the bumper. So the intercooler setup will go here. I have a JP3 rear battery kit, so I'm gonna put an anti-grav battery in the rear. I got the post to set this up real nicely and set it up like square. Then the intercooler will go there. I'm gonna powder coat all the piping, and I'm gonna powder coat this. The one below it, the intake manifold. I'm going to pull the intake manifold, and because one of the solenoids is failing, the second turbo is not coming on at 4,500 RPM. So I will do a video testing it, showing how to test the solenoids and then replace it. I'm going to powder coat this, all the piping, the intercooler, all in this like nice titanium color, just to be efficient and use it. Battery to the trunk, and then I'm going to put the amps in and all that fun stuff to be able to enjoy this thing. The only thing that'll be left for an efficient setup is AC. But just going to use it like that for this summer. Then eventually when the time's ready, we're going to pull the motor, drive it down to Pettit Racing in Florida. We're going to build it. It's pretty much already built, the street port with these upgraded twins. So we're going to do the true twin upgrade. We're going to get rid of the rat's nest. We're going to do this, that, blah, blah, blah. I think we're going to keep the Power FC and do the tweak upgrade. I don't know, but it's going to make like 400 wheel and it'll be perfect. When that's happening, we'll have the bay painted. I'll have the car painted. Window out. We're talking like full deal. We're gonna do the full interior. This thing's gonna be baller. But in due time, for now, we're just gonna do the stuff to make it efficient so that I can drive it, have real good fun with it this summer, and then whenever it's time to do seals, we pull the motor and we drive it down to Pettit and we start the next process, the paint, the fun stuff. It's gonna take some time, but it's gonna be sick. But it'll be cool to drive in the meantime and just enjoy it. And then this thing is pretty much just there. Right, we're gonna get it on the dyno, see what it makes. I have the diff over there. You guys see me struggling with it. I still need to get it back up. I had to go up into the attic, so I had to put it back down and push it and stuff like that. I just gotta knock it up a little bit, and then we'll be good. Get that diff out. All the bolts are off. The axle's a little stuck, so I'll pull that thing out and we'll be good. But yeah, that's my garage update. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week. Merry Christmas. I'll do a quick little Christmas update. But we're coming along. That painting is a cool Larry Chen shot. There it is. It's a cool one. That'll have to go above it or something. Christmas, y'all. See you next week. Peace.